What's up, curly crew? I hope you guys are doing amazing. For you guys that are just joining my channel for the first time, my name is Edwin. I'm the founder and formulator at CurlDaddy.com. Today we're going to talk about an important tool, the pick. And it is not just a tool, guys, it's a symbol. We're going to talk a little bit about where it came from, why we love it, and how to use it to keep your crown that extra love. So let's get into it. Believe it or not, the pick has been, around for ages. They were made out of wood, out of bone, out of different materials. And they were found back in Egypt, West Africa, Sudan. And they were often carved to represent, symbolize status, royalty, protection. Some Ethiopian and Egyptian artifacts definitely show some different forms of the pick. As you guys know, in the Black culture, it has become a symbol of pride, freedom, and power during the 1960s, 1970s Black Power movement. Which takes me to the first pick, which really was a very important moment because it represented unity and resilience. So this amazing thing we use every day, it isn't just for grooming. It's culture, it's pride, it's art. So let's get into the benefits of the pick. I personally use it because it gives the hair tons of volume. You guys know, the more volume, the better. We want the hair to look bigger than life, so this is a great tool to give your hair major volume. It also lifts with control. Like, you can take it to the next level and keep it at a certain point, but then you can take it higher and take it higher. So you have control of how you take it when you're styling your hair with the pick. It is also gentle on the scalp if you use it correctly. You just don't want to jank it in there, especially if you guys is using the metal ones. You have to be very careful, but it is very, very gentle on the scalp if you guys know how to use it. So it's kind of basically a finishing touch. It's like sculpts and gives your hair shape. Let's talk about some fun facts about the pick. You guys know they were made out of wood, ivory, metal, did I say wood? Gold, bone, the list keeps going on. And it's a tool that started back in the day, but we're still loving it today. It's still being used globally amongst the curly community, from Africa to the Caribbean, to the Bronx and beyond. All over the world. If you guys show people one of this, they'll know what to do. And I personally think that the hair picks are not going anywhere, guys. I think they're going to stay for generations to come because it's styled, it's legacy, it's culture. So next time you're using your pick, remember you're lifting more than hair, you're lifting culture. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you guys got inspired. I just wanted to give you a little information about this amazing tool that we use every day. Remember, guys, it's important to love your hair, but most importantly, love yourself. As everything that you apply to yourself, you absorb. Our skin is the second largest organ in our body. It absorbs everything we put into it. So plant-based vegan hair care free of harsh chemicals is the way to go. Make sure that if you guys have any questions, comment below. Any feedback, any comments, I would appreciate it. Make sure that you guys also check CurlDaddy.com, and if you guys do, use code I love my hair at CurlDaddy.com. Make sure to subscribe to the CurlDaddy channel, guys, where we honor the hair, the curls, the crown, but most importantly, the culture. Appreciate you guys. Be safe and enjoy the rest of your day, all right? Peace and love.